Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Start by validating prerequisites and then act. You need Azure AD Connect installed and upgraded. Enable the Hybrid Azure AD Join option in its configuration wizard. Create a service account with both Enterprise Admin Rights on-premises and Global Admin in Azure. This lets the sync and registration run. Make sure target devices are in the appropriate synced OU, use supported Windows builds, and confirm DNS and time synchronization. Once done, proceed to Configure Device Options in Azure AD Connect to start registrations. Next, configure the synchronization and single sign-on so devices can register. Open Azure AD Connect, choose Configure Device Options, and select Hybrid Azure AD Join. Select the on-premises forests, let the tool create the service connection point, and target Windows 10 or later. If you need seamless SSO, enable it here to provide a transparent sign-in experience. After configuration, verify the SCP exists in Active Directory, and that necessary outbound ports like TCP 443 are allowed through firewalls. Finish by forcing a sync and validating device registration. Run Start AD sync cycle on the connector server, then inspect the Azure AD portal for newly registered devices. On a client, run dsregmd/status to see whether the machine is Azure AD joined or domain joined and to capture specific error codes. If it fails, recreate the SCP and consider resetting the device account. Also check time skew, certificates, and proxy or firewall rules that might block registration. Make sure logs from AAD Connect and the client provide the next diagnostic steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.